Rick Bansel with the APC, and I am the Director of Strategic Alliances, specifically focusing on VMware and Cisco right now. APC was engaged with Cisco has been engaged with Cisco for about 10 years now, and it was sort of predicated on the fact that we knew this technology, power over the Ethernet, was coming out in the wiring closet. So about 10 years ago, I moved out to San Francisco, sat on site at Cisco, and really got the relationship up and running in different business units within Cisco.
I'm Kim Tremblay. I work for APC in Strategic Alliance Marketing for the Office of the CMO, and I have a strong focus on the Cisco relationship. For our customers, we believe that the strategic partnership with Cisco is very important. One, they know that our products integrate with Cisco's products. So when they're buying a Cisco solution and they want to put the APC power and cooling with that, they understand that it's all going to work together. It's already been tested, it's approved, and that's just one less worry that they're going to have.
My name is Albert Tang. I'm with Cisco Systems. I'm the manager of the Executive Briefing Center demonstration team. The Executive Briefing Center here at Cisco is where customers come to meet and greet with our Cisco executives. They're here to also get product updates from product managers, roadmap issues, discuss any other applications or solutions that they want to see.
With Cisco's EBC program, which is their Executive Briefing Center, APC is involved in several different areas of that center, maintaining availability for key product demos. People have home networks, very high-end audiovisual equipment, and APC is being trusted there in the EBC to protect that very expensive equipment and to minimize downtime there.
What gets me excited about all these labs or solution centers that we build out is always staying on the cutting edge of applications and networking gear. Some of the solutions we use to keep availability alive in our demonstration labs is APC Symmetras, AVs, and also surge arrays.
Cisco chose APC for their Executive Briefing Center in San Jose basically because we did have an extended relationship, and we did have technology at that point, which was the Symmetra, that really there was nothing like it in the UPS industry. So like the scalable modular approach of the Symmetra, be able to add modules.
Additionally, we protect the telepresence demos, which is Cisco's really flagship product for this year. And only the largest customers in the world are actually able to go to the EBC and have a demo. So we feel very fortunate that they've chosen our products, and I think it's a testament to the reliability of the APC product line.
I'm Paul Marcoux. This is Cisco Systems, and I'm the Vice President of Green Engineering. Green is not just an energy word. It really is a methodology by which we take a cottage industry and we now are generating it into a business. When you build your data centers, they are not only operating efficiently with equipment, but human capital is also being employed efficiently.
There's a couple very interesting programs going on at Cisco right now. I'll touch on a couple of them. Cisco Power Extensions is probably the most interesting one. Inherently, Cisco has deployed a lot of power over the Ethernet devices, IP telephony phones, security cameras, wireless access points that sit idle for 10 to 12 hours during a night. And if you just look at Cisco deployments of phones alone, they've got 17 million IP phones deployed that are sitting idle and sucking 10 watts of power a night. So it's about 1.7 or 17 megawatts in some cases, if you look at all the devices, that is being wasted. So there's a very big green element around that. That's going to trickle into the data center as well, whereas the larger switches, the Catalyst 4000, 6000s, and some of the storage switching devices that have 8,000 watt power supplies will basically then also be shut down, and we can then spin down our in-row cooling devices as well.
Cisco's and APC's, or American Power Conversion's, partnership is very, very strong in terms of being able to analyze data centers from both the power and cooling aspect and the compute aspect. This maintains the equalness on the equation of the compute side and the facility side.
My name is Dev Patel, and I work for Cisco Systems as a Services Product Manager for Data Center Services. Cisco is addressing efficiency in the data center with a three-pronged approach. First is around next generation of products that we're introducing to market that really can impact cabling, power, cooling, and overall space infrastructure in general within the data center. Secondly is around driving efficient architectures within the data center. And then thirdly, introducing next generation of data center services specifically targeted towards helping our customers reduce overall energy consumption and costs. Cisco and APC really jointly partner to develop services that help our customers lower their energy consumption. APC is a fantastic partner. They have expertise in the areas around power, cabling, and cooling. And Cisco is, of course, looking at it from an end-to-end data center architecture from an infrastructure standpoint. And the two teams really work together to drive a comprehensive business solution from a services perspective for our customers.
In our services alliance with Cisco, one of the things that we've done is co-branded our sales tools. And what this does is ensure to the customer that the data that's being provided is being endorsed by both APC and Cisco. And when we put our joint brands behind it, they know that they're getting the best of both companies.
So Cisco and APC have had a long-standing relationship, and just recently we introduced a new set of services specifically targeted for helping to drive 10 gigabit Ethernet technology. And our services organization in Cisco Advanced Services Data Center team partnered with APC to develop unique services to help drive I/O consolidation.
Cisco, with the Nexus 5000, has come out with a box that enables fiber channel over Ethernet technology. Basically what it means for APC is a consolidation of I/O ports. A little bit technical, but basically at the end of the day it's going to be a more dense rack that we're faced with power and cooling, and the industry is definitely going that way. So there's a migration from 1 gigabit Ethernet to 10 gigabit Ethernet, and currently APC's play in that is helping customers understand through a service that we offer with Cisco how to migrate from 1 gigabit Ethernet to 10 gigabit Ethernet.
Overall, we are going to be helping our customers save a lot of money. And also not only just save money, but really looking at how to address their current business challenges in their data center, as well as address future challenges by developing an overall efficient data center architecture that takes into account all of their physical infrastructure from powering, cooling, space, and cabling.
APC has a long history with Cisco, and looking into the future, I see so many opportunities for us to work together and deliver joint solutions to our customers.